My name is Uche Okege. I'm a freelance script supervisor based in Lagos, Nigeria. I started script supervision fully in Lagos in the year 2018 when I finished my NYSC. Since then, it has been a source of income and empowerment for me. It avails me the privilege to meet people and network. Script supervision liberated me financially in some way. It put food on my table and helped me pay my bills. It also avails me the opportunity to work in some big production companies like Mnet, Inkblood, Play Network Africa, Film Tribe, Film One, etc. Well, all these are possible because I'm doing it in Lagos. Lagos have been a hub for entertainment, and as long as you know what you're doing, you always try, no matter what you do. And that is why we are here. We are still here.